Hey guys, what's up? So today we're going to talk about strategies for iOS 11, 12, and 13 of the 13.6. The first three is called SSH media controls and allows you to control various media and volume tasks over SSH. So you're sitting at a computer, your phone's across the room charging, you're also listening to your favorite music on your phone. Your phone's popping out hit after hit when all of a sudden a dud. Normally you have to get up to skip the next track, not anymore. This week, command line remote control your iDevice. There are two sets of commands, actions and returns. You can do things like change the track or set the volume. On returns, delivers various track information, the title artist back to console. This is called Pencil Charging Indicator, and basically make charging less boring with the Apple Pencil Charging animation from the iPad Pro 2018. This is called Griticolis, and basically icons anywhere. That's Griticolis. This suite is called Love, and allows to add and remove current playing track to from Lights Collection, works with Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube's Music, and Tidal. This is called Zebra. It's basically a package manager alternative to Cydia, so you can install tweets, and it's a different look, and it's also faster, but I still prefer Cydia. This is called Only You, Only Your Loved Ones, and the lock screen. This is called Keyboard Tools, and more tools on your keyboard. Dismiss, copy, paste, cut, select, and select all. This tweak is called Disable Device Lock, and prevents the device from locking until disabled in settings. This is called LibSwift Stable Swift Runtime for iOS. This is called CC Time 13, adds a clock to your control center. This is called Spotter Life, and basically gives you unlimited skips, no ads, stream quality, and stream unlocked. Download tracks currently unavailable. So if you guys do, want this tweak, just install it. You just have to have the App Store, Spotify. You have to Spotify from the App Store installed, and you can install this tweak, and it should go right. It should work with the Spotify from the App Store. If it doesn't work, then you just gotta downgrade the Spotify app to a version that this tweak does work with it. This tweak is called Auto Redial, and a simple tweak to auto redial call till it connects. This tweak is called Badge Me, customize badges. Your style, complete icon badge customization. This is called Artemis and Springboard UI customization. This is called Resume, enables your music to continue playing while after respringing your device whilst music is playing. This is called Lower attempts to locate all visible texts everywhere. This is called Lower the media controls dash notification center height on iOS 11, 12, and 13. This is called Network Manage, mainly manage cellular and Wi-Fi networking permissions, rely on app list. This is called YouTube Plus, and it's basically like different lightweight tweak that improves the experience using the YouTube app, packed with a bunch of features. You can customize what to show on the app, or download any video, or download the video as audio and port it locally to your device. You have media downloader, metadata finder. Go find basic YouTube audio directly from YouTube app with this tweak. You fetch music information, multiple import choice, unlock more resolutions, remove advertisements, play audio background, remove video ads. Customization, auto choose resolution. So it can be annoying, may piss you off. YouTube ads, they remove the ads. Your connections are good. Choose your low quality. You can choose basically high or low quality. So yeah, pretty cool. And this is basically a YouTube plus alternative. This is called Notify Music, and basically creates a banner notification with song metadata when song is changed. So works iOS 8 to 13. This is called Yobomb Pro, the best utilities in your Springboard. This is called Pin Crush, optimized PNGs for display on iOS devices. This is called Pinhead WhatsApp, and basically pin favorite chats and WhatsApp, just like iOS 14. This is called Shred It, and basically change most of the Reddit functions to end and edit. It doesn't really do much. This is called Tweak Restrictor, and basically it restricts your tweets from interacting with certain apps. So it can be used as a jailbreak bypass detection. It's not made for that reason, but could be used as that reason. Which is called Tweak Reviews DB. It's a basically review tweets and mark them as if they're working or not. Helpful to see, for other people to see if these tweets are working with, iOS versions. This tweak is called Multipla, and basically with this tweak, power to your dock. This is called Ka, and basically it's all your batteries at a glance. This is called Sender. Sensors the sender and your notifications. This is called Smart Notifications. Customize notifications by the way you desire. This is called Preference Loader, and basically what this tweak does, lightweight and modern alternative to Dustin's Howard's Preference Loader. This is called Full Screen Now Playing View for the Apple Music. This tweak is called Shuffle, and basically with this tweak, preference app to the tweak that organizes your settings into easy to navigate sections. She's called Relocate Reborn Mini Minimalist GPS Spoofer. Free iOS 13 plus. If you can't see suspicion, please use Cydia or Zebra. So this basically lets you change your location for your apps. Called Swipe Shift Caret, and basically Caret Micromanager Shift the Caret via Swipe Gesture. So you can see, pretty cool. She's called Backup AZ 3 iOS 10 and 13, and basically includes more features. It's why use iTunes backup device when you can use this in your pocket. You can see all these data, so you can basically back up all these right here. It's called Drain, and basically this week helps you find the tweets that are draining your battery. It's called Safari Full Scroll, and make the Safari scrolling in the full screen way. Last tweak is called Manar, and basically with this tweak you can enable to disable the flashlight by double clicking the power button with the screen off and locked. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Catch you next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.